As it's starting to warm up in areas, I got a new portable AC to share with you guys today. And this one uses 10 amps of power, so this one's going to be a little bit easier on some of your outlets. Now this is going to be the one that's going to go in your window. You do get a tube, and this one is the larger. I don't know if it's 6 inches, I'm assuming. You also have the unit for the window. What I do like about this one is, like, I know a lot of the old school ones you had to put a screw in and everything. This one's got a lock that just snaps back and forth. I like this. And then you can adjust for the size of your window and then lock it down to whichever your preference is. And this will be the minimum unless you cut this off. This also comes with a remote control, and it does include a hose if you want to use this in dehumidifier mode. And this will do 3 different modes. You got your AC, you got your dehumidifying, and then you got just fan. I'm using the table to make it a little easier to demonstrate, but you will see that there are wheels, so this makes it really easy to wheel it back and forth and to move it around from room to room. This does have a removable filter that you can take out and clean, and then you can always take a vacuum and take it to the sides, which works pretty well for me. This is going to be your exhaust here, which we'll go ahead and put that on. You got one drain plug here, and you got another drain plug here. All right, so we can go ahead and get everything hooked up and do a quick demo with this. Whoa, bad idea, bad idea. Now setting it up in the window is gonna be super easy, so just make sure that's unlocked. And then we're just going to put it in, adjust it to whatever height you need. And then we're gonna lock it down and then close your window. And now we're ready to hook it up. This is also a pretty long hose. All right, so we'll do the fan first. This is how loud the fan is on low. On high. Now we'll go ahead and we'll go on cool mode. This will go all the way down to 60 degrees. You can also adjust the airflow up or down. It puts out some pretty cold air. I don't know, I think this one actually puts out a little bit more air than the larger unit that I had before. But if you're looking for a little portable AC that puts out a ton of air, really simple to get set up and going within a minute. I mean, you saw how easy it is, especially these days with how easy those are to adjust in the window. It puts out a lot of air. It gets really cold and really quick, and it's only been on for a few minutes. You can use it for cool, fan, dry, or dehumidify. And you could also do a sleep mode. And that's going to quiet it down a little bit. Anyway, that's going to be my quick demo. If anybody has any questions, let me know. I will answer them the best I can, or even do follow-up videos for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.